现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. 没错，又到了介绍客语歌曲的时间喽。这首歌非常国际化，因为里面融合了客语、英语还有华语哦。这首歌叫做《关于我和你》，关于老矮，到底是谁唱的呢？我让他用客语来自我介绍。
爱喊做罗文义，美浓的客家人，从小到大妈妈讲爱充满又满皮，读书调查米，忽然有一年，合唱团欣赏讲爱唱歌很有勇气，像爱的本应鼓励，动作一非事情，本梦嘛小莫听，做明星，16岁那年初次登上电视机，学吉他打工驻唱，后来也发行专辑，做明星，在幕后开始发表许多创作曲，后来转换跑道，然后投资失利，走过谷底才发现我是 nobody。
This song is called About You and Me, and he already introduced himself in Hakka at the beginning of the song, but maybe he didn't catch it. So let's have Jesse from Transition to tell you who he is in English.
Well, Wing, my friend, so many stories to tell. We toured the world together, laughed until the sun came up. Hold on to your music dream, we want to see you fly. Good for GPS, a truly Hakka gentleman. 我嘅好朋友，用音樂來交流，來重現人嘅故事。
So if you understand Hakka, you know this song is like Wing's autobiography, explaining his development as a musician. And even though he didn't study well in school, he was great in singing, and his teacher would approve him on this. And he also wants to encourage young people to sing more Hakka language songs. 这首歌呢，就等于是我们罗文玉的一个自传哦。从小其实不太爱念书，但是唱歌的时候受到老师的肯定，也希望透过他的创作来鼓励年轻人开始唱客语歌喽。这首就是关于老矮 About You and Me, and it's all about 罗文玉。My name is Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.